Hey creators! Welcome to our How Filmora is Better Than CapCut series first video. Filmora 14 brought some cool AI features for all the creative folks. Filmora 14 offers powerful AI tools and features, which makes it stand out from other video editors. Today, we will cover two essential features in Filmora that make it better than CapCut. Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. One of the key differences is Timeline and Toolbar. Filmora offers an advanced timeline so that creators can manage the project efficiently. And Filmora allows you to change the track name, lock the track, mute the track, or hide the track. Even on a right-click, you can add video and audio tracks, delete the track, empty the track, delete all the markers at once, then you can adjust the track height. And with Track Manager, you can add multiple video tracks and audio tracks and adjust the placement of the new tracks. You can even lock and unlock all the tracks together. You can easily turn the magnetic timeline on and off. The best part about the magnetic timeline is that when you remove an unwanted clip, the empty space is automatically filled in by the next clip, making your editing process smoother and quicker. No extra adjustments needed. And when you turn it off and delete the unwanted clip, the rest of the clips stay in their position. Filmora has a fantastic feature called track linking that makes editing a breeze. When you enable it, track 1 links to the track right above it. This means that if you move track 1, track 2 moves right along with it. It's a real time saver, especially when you've added lots of effects, filters, or stickers to your clip on track 1 and need to shift everything around. This way, you can work faster and smarter while creating your videos. The Filmora Timeline toolbar is user-friendly and easily customized to fit your editing style. You can simply use the custom toolbar option to drag and drop the tools you want right onto the toolbar. And don't forget to hit save when you're done. One of the coolest features is the Filmora Co-Pilot, which makes your editing journey a breeze. It automatically adds transitions, helps you search for effects, and does so much more to lend a hand. Plus, you can play around with the audio mixer to adjust the sound for each track effortlessly. And if you want to get a quick look at your edits, you can switch to quick preview mode. One of the coolest things about Filmora is its amazing AI features that really set it apart from CapCut. With over 20 AI tools at your fingertips, editing becomes super easy and a lot of fun. You can create viral content with the AI image-to-video feature and transform your audio into stunning visuals with the AI audio-to-video feature. Plus, you can repurpose your videos effortlessly with AI Smart Short Clips and make highlight reels using AI Smart Scene Cut. And if you want to give your footage a little boost, just click on the AI Video Enhancer for a quick upgrade. For more details about all these awesome AI features, be sure to check out the Filmora official website. Download or update your Filmora version from the link in the description and get your hands on these awesome features. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.